morning, everyone. My name is Devi Fauzia from Asia Bandung University. I'm here today to explain about the reading part 4. I will explain the reading part skill 4 to skill 6. My presentation lasts about 10 minutes. This talk is divided into three main parts. Okay, firstly, I'd like to look at the reading part here for. Secondly, I'll be talking about the reading part skill 5. And finally, I'll be looking at the reading part skill 6. Okay, as you can see, here is skill 4 of the reading part. The skill 4 is implied detail question. The following are explanations, the skill 4 of the reading part. First, how to identify the question. The identify the question as follows. It is implied in the passage that it can be inferred from the passage that it, it is most like that. And last, what probably happened. Next, what to find the answer? The answers to this question are found in order in the passage. Last, how to answer the question? To answer the question as follows. Number 1, choose the keyword in the question. Number 2, scan the appropriate part of the passage for the keyword for that idea. 3, read the sentence that contains the keyword or idea carefully. And last, number 4, look for the answer that contains the keyword carefully. Next, let me give you an example and let's reading together. Okay, the answer of the text is A, because if you look at before, the white bands and null bands are means the each year for 100 white bands and 100 narrow bands, same as a century old. Let me just try and sum that up before we move on to skill 5. So it means we must to find the hidden meaning of the question by looking on the previous sentence. Let's now turn to skill 5. Okay, if we look at this slide, is the skill 5 of the part reading. The skill 5 is vocabulary in context questions. The following are explanation the skill 5 of the reading part. First, how to identify the question. The identify the question is as follows. What is the meaning? Which of the following is closest meaning to? Could be replaced by which of the following? Next, where to find the answer? The question usually tell you in which line of the passage the word or expression can be found. And last, how to answer the question. to answer the question as follows. Number one, find the word or expression in the passage. Number two, read the sentence that contains the word carefully. Number three, look for the context clues to help you understand the meaning. And last, number four, choose the answer that the context indicates. Okay, let me give you an example and reading together again. Okay, the answer of the text is D because a geranium and a plane are related meaning. What I'm trying to say about skill 5 is the question and the answer has a related meaning. I now want to go on the next slide. The next slide is skill 6. And now is the last part of the reading skill. If you look at the screen, you'll see the skill 6 of the reading part. The following are explanation the skill 6 of the reading part. First, how to identify the question. Identify the question as follow. Where is the passage? Next, where to find the answer? The question usually tells you in which line of the passage the words or expression can be found. And last, how to answer the question. To answer the question as follows. Number one, find the word or expression in the passage. Number two, read the sentence that contains the word carefully. Number three, look for the context clues to help you understand the meaning. And last, choose the answer that the context indicates. Okay, let me give an example and reading together again. Okay, the answer of the question number one is C, because the line 4 to explain about capital. Then the answer of the question number 2 is D, because the line 6 to line 8 explain about where US capital. What I'm trying to say about skill 6 is we must find the word of the location. Sorry. What I'm trying to say about skill 6 is we must find to the word, location, and the line of the text. Okay. Let me end the presentation by saying Alhamdulillah. Thank you for watching this video and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.